Good evening, Bangalore. Puila just ang kok sana ni sekang ang joto sini students rokno koinya ni musungo bubagrano seng long live ni joto na chiri kok layene bubagra long live bubagra long live bubagra long live Tiprasa long live Tiprasa long live Tiprasa long live Hambai Puilano Tinini was a program Advanced String Celebrations Hayakai TISF ni a committee form Klaizakna ni thangai tongmani Tinini o program ni sini chief guest jotoni khasuksa sini borom sini zaknai joto sini honor ha bubagrano ang khani hamjakma tai khorok bomoi bini khani mas hanjao taiba hambai maro sini bisingo phaimanjak phaijak TTA sini Honorable Executive Member Sini Sir Robindro Deborma Bonoba Haino Hai Khani Hamzak Matai Chobani Chibai Hambai Maro Sini Bisingo Member of Legislative Assembly Ompi Constituency ni Sini Sir Pathan Lal Jamatia Bonoba Haino Hai Hamzak Matai Chobani Chibai Taiba Hambai Maro TISF ni State President Ani Bayab Khasuksa Takuk Hazra Bonoba Haino Hai Hamzak Matai Chobani Chibai Taiba Hambai Maro O Bangalore Specially Jotono Naikoloi as a leader Ringi Chabai Tong Tong Nai Sini Ata Dinesh Deborma Bonoba Haino Hai Hamzak Matai Chobani Chibai Taiba Hambai Maro Sini Bisingo Taiba leaders Pai Sok Paizak Tai Daisho Jot Asukzak students Rokno Tripura by the Bangalore, it's almost 3,200 kilometers far away. But standing right here, right in this stage, I don't feel this is Bangalore. I feel this is Tripura. I say. And it's really privilege and honor for me to speak to such a talented and ambitious group of students, I say. And of course, Bangalore Nikoknos Hanani Thankanke. Bangalore is a city of dream and opportunity, I say. O Zagawo, Sing Jotono Saimano, Kaisa Tai Kaisa Sini Bagay, Sing Tripurani Asak Haksalo Paye, Busak Zorati Sini Bagay, important, I say. And being in this vibrant environment, you hold the key to not just shape your future and your careers, but also the careers of our Tiprasa, careers of our communities, and careers of Sini Jotto Borokni Haise. As a student, I believe you are at the stage of crossroads of your dreams and decisions. But education education is a powerful tool you can use to change the world. And you all know the world is changing so faster ever. But suru education textbook was limited suru sini education limitations kare o jagao sungno tamurjak wings read zago haise bukrang read zago o bukrang ni bisingte sini barriers no sing sabai thangmano o je bukrang rizak mani bisingte sini jotto one suk mani dob hani bage sing khlaimano haise and tini ang norok no kaitham kok no sanani musungo kaisa hangkangke be hungry and be curious haise sing je jago tongui tongo je jago sing srungi tongo o mono sing o khujak ma haike ma srungnai Sini o pora lekhano sing weapons ma sanamnai tools ma sanam nai hai se and tai kai sa ko khang kang ke always no sung pok na ni ko gya sung jesek panu kusuk level thani jesek panu sung education ning success sung di je jago sung phayo je jagani sung phayo a sini culture a sini identity a sini language no sung pok na ni ko gya hai se tini na hai salo sung joto saimano sini ha buba grano sung khrana ni bage hayo amoni bage ang ani kok na suk deglak om suk sawinyo blai ke hambai buba gra ayoglok thong tai sini ti prasa ayoglogui tong to hai se hambai